here is how we can change the inverted camera on the iPhone. Let me explain that and show you how you can change and fix it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So first of all, you can go to your settings app where just below the general and accessibility section, we have the camera. So go there, go to that menu. Plenty of things you can change, of course, but the option that you are interested in is the mirror front camera. So it is up to you to decide if you enable it or disable it. In any case, if you're not happy with the way it currently works, go to this place and either enable it if it was turned off or disable it if it was enabled. So that's up to you to decide. I would personally recommend you to try it out with both options to see which one you like more, but basically it just flips and inverts the camera. If you, however, have some pictures in your gallery stored with the inverted effect, you can go to that photo, tap on edit, and when you tap on the cropping tool, you're going to have the mirroring option in the top left corner, which can rotate it like this, and it's going to make it come back to the original state or flip it however you like it. So even if you already captured photos with the inversion enabled, you can always revert back and also disable it for future photos. So I hope that I was able to help you out with that. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.